The Astrophage in Project Hail Mary, there's going to be a lot of spoilers. So, all of the spoilers. Um, and the Astrophage in Project Hail Mary is a really interesting antagonist because they're not thinkers, and they stumble into the solar system and start having a very negative effect on the thing from which most of the energy, possibly all of the energy, if you argue that Earth was formed through gravity and part of that gravity and that forming was because of the sun. But most of the energy here on Earth, it comes from the sun. And the antagonist in here, the astrophage, they are really good at storing energy. And they use some, I don't know, I'd love to call them near future technologies, but I think that is, I don't know, because they talk about matter, antimatter, protons, and neutrinos, and terribly interesting, and using light as a means of propulsion. In Alistair Reynolds' series, we have light huggers chugging around the universe, and in the Alien franchise, I believe that a lot of the ships a lot of the ships that are used by humanity in the Alien franchise, they convert to negative mass, so they become they be able to move faster than photons because they create a field that makes them move faster than light by having negative mass. Negative mass is something that's been theorized, but it has not yet been discovered. Matter, antimatter, it can be made by CERN, but it is very, very difficult to capture, the most expensive material on the planet. And we know neutrinos exist. There's a couple labs that detect neutrinos on Earth, and all the time neutrinos are blasting through. Just a wonderful amount of speculative science fiction and a really great story. I really enjoyed Project Hail Mary. And I think Ryan Gosling's going to do a great job. I really wanted to read this before the movie came out, and it's tough to pick a favorite Ryan as a Canadian, but Gosling's definitely. Thank you so much.